Welcome all the students from 10th class again in the channel named as Mahmood Mulani Online Education. In this series, we are going through few problems based on the syllabus of Maths Part 1 given by SSC Board, Maharashtra State, and here is one complete question paper with complete solution, and we are going to discuss all the problems and solve all the problems on the screen, as well as you can solve all the problems in your notebooks. There are a lot of questions, a lot of variety of questions, and therefore you are also going through total revision of your old syllabus of Maths Part 1. Again, if you haven't seen another videos of hot questions or questions of marks 1, 2 and 3, then you can go through that playlist even here in the I button. You click the I button and you will get the total playlist for the 10th standard maths part 1. Okay, let us go through to the questions, and the questions are here in front of me. That choose the correct alternative and write the alphabet of it. फॉर मराठी मीडियम स्टुडंट्स, मराठी माध्यमाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी सूचना आहे की त्यांनी ही जरी उदाहरणं पाहिली तरी काही हरकत नाही, कारण याच प्रकारची उदाहरणं परीक्षेमध्ये येणार आहेत. द सेम टाईप ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स यू विल appear in the question paper. What are the coordinates of the point of intersection of the graph of the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6 with x-axis? Here with x-axis is the point given, therefore we are going to write something here with another color of pen. With x-axis we know that we are going to change the color of the pen because it is not too much dark here. Now the dark pen is here. For y-axis, the equation y is equal to 0 will be there. Any point on x-axis, the equation of that point y is equal to 0. Therefore we have to put here value y is equal to 0, and we have to solve that equation. The equation I am solving here in the blank part, that 3x plus 4 into bracket 0 is equal to minus 6, means 3x plus 0 is equal to minus 6. X is equal to, that is 3x is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6 divided by 3, and x is equal to minus 2. Here option number B is given as minus 2 comma 0, means this is the correct option. You have to write in the your answer book. In the same manner you can solve all those problems and find out the solutions. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? Here for this equation, power of x, that is index of x, is 1. This is not a quadratic equation. For option number B, the maximum index, that is power of x, is 3. For quadratic equation it is equal to 2, therefore option B is not also correct quadratic equation. In the same manner for option number 3, power of x is 5, therefore C is also not quadratic equation. Then what is remaining? Option number D is the correct option, but you can see here power of x is 1, here power of x is 1, index is 1. If you multiply 4x and 4x, you will get the first term as 4x multiplied by 4x, and it will be equal to 16x square, and therefore option D is correct. Option D is correct quadratic equation. Here the same problems are given by me. Some space was blank to write the answers. Now here problem number 1, that is activity number 1, sub question number 3. If the face value of share is 100, face value is given as rupees 100 and the market value is rupees 75. Means you can see 100, it is decreased to 75. If it is decreased to 75, I am writing here now face value 100, market value 75, it is decreasing. Therefore we can say that this share is at a discount. And how much it is having a discount? Discount of rupees 25. Means option number A is correct option. This share is at a discount of rupees 25. For sub question number 4, the class mark of the class we have to find out. We have to just find out the middle figure of 2000 and 3000. It is equal to 2500. Therefore option number C is correct. Don't waste any time to write the formula to put the values of lower class limit and upper class limit and then add it, divided by 2. It will be get the same answer as 2500. Option number C is there. Now there are few problems of 1 marks. For an arithmetic progression, if d is equal to 10, that is common difference d is equal to 10, then what is the value of t10 minus t6? For all those equations a is same, then we know the formula tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. For 10th term, that is t10, it is equal to a plus 10 minus 1d, it is equal to a plus 9d. Equation number 1. For 6th term, t6 is equal to a plus 6 minus 1d and it is equal to a plus 5d. Equation number 2. Subtract equation 2 from equation number 1. t10 minus t6 will be equal to a plus 9d minus a minus 5d. That will be equal to 4d. It is equal to 4 multiplied by 10. It is equal to 40. You will get t10 minus t6 as 40 because a is the same for an arithmetic progression. To solve the another question, so question number 2, firstly I have to erase all the ink on the slide. Now I can write by giving a proper color of pen. Now I am using black color of pen. If market value of share is rupees 200, rate of brokerage is 0.3%. Find the cost of one share. Here rate of brokerage is given as 0.3%. Therefore amount, that is amount of brokerage, is equal to rate of brokerage multiplied by market value and divided by 100. Therefore rate of brokerage is 0.3%, market value is 200 divided by 100, 0 gets cancelled, therefore it is equal to 0.6. Amount of brokerage is 0.6 rupees. Now cost of one share, cost of one share will be equal to its market value plus amount of brokerage. Market value is rupees 200 plus amount of brokerage is 0.6, then it will be equal to 200 plus 0.6, that is 200.6 rupees. You can get the answer in the same manner as 200 rupees and 60 paise. You can write it as also 200 0.60 rupees. All the answers are correct answers. You will get 1 mark for that question. Next question is that when one die is rolled, then write the sample space and number of sample points. Die is rolled, for a die there are 6 faces and each face is written a number from 1 to 6. Therefore sample space S is equal to, in a bracket, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then n of S, number of sample points, is equal to 6. Answer is correct. You will get 1 mark. Find the mean, that is x bar. The formula for x bar is that sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi is given as 75 and sigma fi is given as 15. 15 multiplied by 5 is equal to 75. Therefore x bar is equal to 5. You will get the answer. Don't waste too much time for such a small questions for 1 marks. Let us go for the second activity or second question. Complete the following activities. You need to complete the activity to find the value of x. Here two equations are given. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Multiply the equation 1 by, now look here, from equation number 1 you are getting this equation number 3, and here 3 is converted into 9, 2 is converted into 6, 11 is converted into 33, means multiply equation number 1 by 3, and equation number 2 you have to multiply equation number 2 by 2 itself, because 2x is given here, 4x is given here. It can be obtained by multiplying by 2 only. Therefore multiply equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 2. Now here 6y and 6y are occurring in both the equations. Therefore subtract equation 4 from 3. I am writing here again that 9x plus 6y is equal to 33 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 8. I would like to subtract, therefore here plus sign converted to minus, plus sign converted to minus, plus sign converted to minus, plus 6y get cancelled with minus 6y. 9x minus 4x will equal to 5x, and 33 minus 8 it will be equal to 25. Therefore I have to write 5 in that blank spot. 5x is equal to 25. It gives rise to x is equal to 25 divided by 5, and you know that 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25, and therefore value of x is 5. You can write all the answers in your notebooks, so that in the question paper, or if you writing your board exam, you can remember such type of questions. Complete the activity to solve 9y square minus 100 is equal to 0 by factorization method. Here root of 9 is 3, root of y square is y, root of 100 is 10. Therefore you use the formula that a minus b and a plus b, it is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is 3y and b is 10. Therefore in first bracket, one factor is 3y minus 10, another factor is 3y plus 10. It is also given here. Therefore 3y is equal to 10 and 3y is equal to minus 10. Therefore y is equal to 10 divided by 3, or y is equal to minus 10 divided by 3. You have to fill in the blanks. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here and 1 here. You will get half marks at each blank spot, and totally you will get 2 marks for such a kind of activity. The 6 spaces of a die are shown as below: A, B, C, D, E, A. Here, look here. Another point is that A, B, C, D, E and A is again given here, not the F. F is not given. It is rolled once. Find the probability of the event that A appears on the upper face. The die is rolled. Sample space is written correctly. Number of sample points are 6. Let X be the event. Name of the event is written here. Then X is equal to 2. Sorry, n of X is equal to 2 because here in the sample space A is occurring 2 times. Therefore, you can write A, comma A. Number of points in event X is 2. Therefore, the formula for Px is n of A divided by n of X divided by n of S. Because we are finding the probability of event named as X, therefore X should be written there. X should be written there, n of X. N of X is 2 and n of S is 6. It will be equal to 1 by 3. It is the correct answer. In the same manner, you can solve other questions also. Question 2b, solve any 4 sub questions or solve any 4 activities for 8 marks, means each activity carries 2 marks. Here, if 2 and minus 5 is the solution of the equation, find the value of k. Here you have to put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 5. Here you have to put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 5. Then 2x minus ky is equal to 14 is given equation. 2 into bracket 2 minus k into bracket minus 5 is equal to 14. 4 plus 5k is equal to 14. 5k is equal to 14 minus 4. 5k is equal to 10. That means k is equal to 10 divided by 5 and k is equal to 2. We get the value of 2 by just solving a linear equation in single variable or one variable. Then question number 1 is complete. Question number 2, find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta for the quadratic equation. For this quadratic equation, 3x square minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. If we compare with its standard form, that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 6. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and alpha beta is equal to c upon a. That means minus of minus 2 divided by a is 3. It is equal to 2 by 3. And for alpha into beta, value of alpha into beta, c upon a, value of c is 6. 6 divided by 3, it is equal to 2. Both the values are appearing on your screen right now. Now you have to check whether 30 is in the arithmetic progression or not. 5, 11, 17, 23 and so on. I am going to solve the same question here on the same PPT. Therefore, firstly I have to erase all the ink on the slide. Now question number 3. Tn is given as 301 and here is question mark whether this 301 is appearing in the arithmetic progression. Therefore question mark is there. A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 11 minus 5, that is 6, or 17 minus 11, that is also 6. D is equal to 17 minus 11, that is equal to 6. Then write the formula that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Tn is equal to 301. A is equal to 5 plus n, we don't know n, we know a value of d. Then 301 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Its subtraction will be equal to 296 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. 296 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1, and if you divide 296 by 6, you will get the answer as 49.33, and therefore n will be equal to 49.33 plus 1, n will be equal to 50.33, and this is not possible. It is not possible because n must be integer or positive integer. It is coming in fraction, and fraction is not possible. Therefore 301 is not in the arithmetic progression. In the same manner, 20 minutes are completing, and I am closing this video with the note that the another part of the same video, and also there are too many questions in the same PPTs. I am collecting 3 or 4 rehearsal papers here, practice papers here, and all the papers are in the same PowerPoint presentation. I am completing it because of 20 minutes are completed. You can get my other videos in the same manner, that in the two sides of my pages there is one button of subscribe, one button of one playlist. You go through that playlist or go through that videos and find this another type of questions, that is hot questions or constructive type of questions or questions of having marks 1, 2 and 3, etc. Okay, thank you.